Finding the best stainless steel food steamer can feel confusing when every option promises healthy meals and fast results. The best stainless steel food steamer is the one that heats evenly, cleans easily, and fits real kitchens and busy schedules. From weeknight veggies to seafood dinners, I've learned that durable stainless steel matters, especially for US homes that cook often and value long-lasting appliances. After testing and comparing features, performance, and ease of use, I know what truly works and what falls short. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. All product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer. The Bella 2-Tier Food Steamer is a versatile kitchen appliance that makes steaming vegetables, fish, tofu, and even full meals quick and easy. I love the 2 tiers for simultaneous cooking, which lets me cook multiple dishes at once without mixing flavors. The auto shutoff and boil protection gives me peace of mind, especially when I'm busy with other tasks in the kitchen. The stackable baskets and removable base make cleaning effortless, and the clear water level indicator takes the guesswork out of refilling. It's perfect for families or anyone who enjoys healthy, oil-free meals. The only minor limitation is its larger footprint, so counter space needs to be considered. Overall, this steamer is reliable, user-friendly, and efficient, making it a strong choice for anyone looking for a convenient and safe, best stainless steel food steamer for everyday cooking. Number 4. Secura 2 Stainless Steel Food Steamer. The Secura 2 Stainless Steel Food Steamer is a powerful 8.5-quart steamer perfect for cooking vegetables, fish, and chicken evenly. I really like its stackable 2-tier design, which lets me cook multiple foods at once without mixing flavors. The fast 800-watt heating gets steam ready in seconds, saving time during busy weeknights. Its stainless steel build feels sturdy, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. The anti-dry auto shutoff gives extra safety, while the clear water line helps me monitor water levels easily. The only minor drawback is the analog timer, which could be more precise. Overall, this is a reliable, efficient choice for anyone looking for a durable, best stainless steel food steamer for family meals or healthy meal prep. Number 3. Ovente 2-Tier Electric Food Steamer. The Ovente 2-Tier Electric Food Steamer is a compact and versatile appliance perfect for everyday healthy cooking. I love how the dual-tier stackable baskets allow me to steam vegetables and seafood at the same time, saving both time and dishes. The powerful 400-watt steaming heats quickly, so meals are ready without long waits, and the 60-minute timer with auto shutoff adds peace of mind. The 5-quart stainless steel design feels sturdy, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, making it a practical choice for US households. It's ideal for small to medium-sized meals, and the clear baskets let you monitor cooking progress. My only minor gripe is the smaller water capacity, which means topping up for longer steaming sessions. Overall, this is a reliable, efficient, best stainless steel vegetable steamer for busy kitchens. Number 2. Oster Sangerfield 3.0-quart Stainless Steel Kitchen Cookware with Steamer Basket. The Oster Sangerfield 3.0-quart Stainless Steel Kitchen Cookware with Steamer Basket feels simple, solid, and very practical. I like how it handles 2 jobs at once. I can steam veggies while rice cooks below. That saves time and dishes. The built-in steamer works well for fresh vegetables and even reheating tamales. Everything heats evenly on my gas stove. The size is just right for small US households or quick weeknight meals. It does not crowd the cabinet. The compact steel pot is easy to lift and easy to clean. I also like that it's dishwasher safe, though hand washing keeps it shiny longer. The only limit is no induction support. Still, for the price, this is a reliable, no-fuss option for everyday healthy cooking. Number 1. Cuisinart Cookfresh Digital Glass Food Steamer. The Cuisinart Cookfresh Digital Glass Food Steamer feels like a calm helper in a busy kitchen. I like how the glass pot lets me see food as it cooks. That builds trust fast. The top-down steam cooks evenly and keeps veggies bright. The delay start timer is great on rushed US mornings when dinner needs a head start. It handles family-size meals with ease. Fish stays soft, rice comes out clean. The controls are simple and clear. I never had to guess. Cleanup is easy too. The pot goes right in the dishwasher. The only downside is the size. It takes some counter space. Still, for daily healthy meals, this earns its place. I'd confidently call it the best stainless steel electric food steamer for balanced, real-life cooking at home. Final verdict. If you want the most reliable and feature-rich steamer for everyday healthy cooking, I personally recommend the Cuisinart Cookfresh Digital Glass Food Steamer as the best overall choice. Its large capacity, intuitive controls, and handy delay start and keep warm functions make steaming meals effortless and consistent. For a more budget-friendly and versatile kitchen tool, the Oster Sangerfield 3.0 quart stainless steel kitchen cookware is a great pick. Its built-in steamer basket and sturdy stainless steel construction work well for smaller meals and everyday steaming tasks without a high price tag. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the food steamer that fits your style and needs best, whether you're feeding a family or simplifying weeknight meals.